If your anime eyes look flat, the problem probably is not the iris. It is usually the upper eyelid and eyebrow. Those two shapes control the direction, weight, and emotion of the entire eye. In this beginner quest, we are drawing one powerful original anime eye from 6 simple steps. You can follow on paper or in any drawing app. Start with a light horizontal guide. This is not the final eyelid, it simply tells us which direction the face is looking. Add a small vertical mark where you want the center of the iris. Keeping these guides light makes them easy to remove later. For a focused character, tilt the outside of the guide slightly upward. Keep the angle subtle. A dramatic angle too early can make the eye look distorted. Now draw the upper eyelid as one confident curve. Make the line thicker near the outside corner and thinner as it moves inward. This creates visual weight without needing dozens of eyelashes. The upper lid is the strongest line in the eye. If every line has the same thickness, the drawing loses its hierarchy. Do not close the entire eye with a heavy outline. Use a short lower lid mark near the outside corner, then leave a small gap before adding a lighter inner indication. Those gaps let the eye feel open and clean. They also keep the lower lid from competing with the upper lid. Draw the iris so part of it sits behind the upper eyelid. If the full circle floats in the middle with white space above it, the character often looks surprised. Hiding the top of the iris creates a calmer, more focused expression. Place the pupils slightly above the geometric center. Then add one large highlight and one much smaller highlight. Keep their positions consistent so they appear to come from the same light source. Here is the actual power upgrade. Bring the inner eyebrow slightly downward and keep the outer end controlled. The eyebrow should support the angle of the eyelid rather than floating separately above it. Move it closer for intensity, move it higher for surprise. Curve it upward toward the center for concern. For Riven's focused expression, we will use a low inner brow with a gentle upward sweep. Add a darker shadow beneath the upper lid. This makes the eyeball feel as if it sits inside the face instead of being pasted on top. Keep the bottom of the iris lighter. Then add a small cyan-violet glow around the pupil. The glow should support the drawing, not replace it. If the effect still reads clearly when the glow layer is hidden, the construction is working. The full skill is one confident upper lid curve, a lighter broken lower lid, the iris tucked beneath the upper lid, and an eyebrow that reinforces the emotion. Your practice quest is to draw the same eye 3 times, focused, surprised, and worried. Change only the lid opening and eyebrow. Keep the iris construction consistent. That unlocks line control, rank E. Next, we will use 3 simple shapes to build a complete anime face. Subscribe to RiftSketch Academy and keep leveling up your art.